Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to find your IP address and MAC address in your Android device. So if you're wondering how to do so, you may follow up this step for that. Start by going to your settings. If you're trying to look out for your Wi-Fi's IP address or MAC address, you can go to connections and tap on it and look out for the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Tap on it and go to their settings. Once you go to their settings, you just need to tap on this option, go view more, and there you'll be finding different settings. Scroll down and you should be finding section for MAC address and IP address, the one that you may be looking for your Wi-Fi. You can directly find it listed in the screen right here. You can just go and look out for it like this. If for your phone within your settings, you just need to head over and scroll down and find the option for about phone. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you go to about phone, you will be finding option for, once you are here, you can just tap on status information, and there you'll be finding your MAC address, your phone MAC address as well, and even your IP address. And that's it, everybody. Those are the methods you can follow up to find your IP address and MAC address in any of your Android phones. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.